Hi guys, welcome to Jan's Journey. My name is Jasmine. Thank you for selecting this video. In this video we have so much information in one video, so I'm going to try to put everything in one. And it's key that you keep in track and mark your calendars for these dates, so it's good to know. There's a few dates happening, also future spoilers, which I'm excited about. I don't think we have seen future spoilers in a long time. Usually they're just all confirmed, but I'm excited that we're going back to how I remember seeing some future spoilers. I think it makes it more fun. We have 3 box reveal, 3 variation for the April base box, and then we have 3 new spoilers confirmed for the premium box. So yes, a lot of information, so let's just get ahead and get started with all the information. So guys, thank you again for watching this video. Hope you're staying safe, and I hope that I don't know, you're finding something that is actually helping you with this time. A lot of us are just staying inside, and what I have been doing is trying to catch up. And on this side I was like, you know what, I had all these different DIY projects, so let me just go ahead and do some of those. So I'm excited for them. We're also excited to, I don't have a vanity desk or a desk at all, so I'm like, you know, let me make my own. So we're gonna start working on that this week, so I'm excited to see how that comes out. We're doing our own sketch, our own putting it together. So if you guys want to see that, let me know in the comment section. So let's go ahead guys, let's go ahead and get started. The theme for Boxycharm April already is very whimsical, it's very spring, it's very colorful in a nice way. I really like it, and it's called #Boxy vibing, and it also says spring into boxy. Let me show you the month theme. It is very pretty. Remember the other video that I was showing you guys some spoilers, and I said, you know what, I am not liking a little bit how the spoilers are coming because there's so many variations, but I had to keep active my base box in order for me to get my premium, since I was in the wait list, and because of it I had to stay with the base box. And then I did that in my other account, and I'm like, you know what, once I get charged for the premium box, I'm gonna cancel it. But they did it like around 4 o'clock in the morning, so I had 2 separate accounts, and both of them I just had joined the wait list in one of them like the day before, so that means that was in March 31st, and I got both boxes. So I have like, I think 4 boxes coming, gonna give away. So anything that I get in the boxes that I don't want, I think I'm gonna do a giveaway. So yeah, it was something that I did, but at least I'm going to be sharing that with you guys. So just, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, because later I'm going to talk more about it. That's something that I'm planning to put together. So okay guys, let's get started already. Let's talk about spoilers, add-ons. Let's talk about the date, the add-ons date. That's something that was the first thing that I mentioned in the video. The add-ons date is going to be and I'm going to be showing you a picture so you have all that information. The add-on date is going to be April 13, a Monday. That's early access. So remember, if you are also subscribed to Boxy Luxe and also to the premium box or on the wait list, you're going to have early access for the add-ons. And I'm going to be telling you some of the add-ons that I'm very excited about. Remember, that's going to be open on April 13. And we are going to have Hank and Henry, the palettes. I didn't get that one. The Too Faced highlighter is going to be once again in one of the boxes. I really like this one. The other product that's there is going to be the Pharmacy Balm. I'm excited about it, but I'm also going to see the price. The Ace Beauty palette is a different palette. We have not seen that, at least in the boxes before. They're also going to have the Becca foundation. So if you really want to get this foundation, you know foundations are very expensive, $40, but you could get it for a lot less in the add-on store. They're also going to have the PMD cleansing device, which I'm excited about. That's what I've been using ever since I got it. I've been using that every day faithfully, and I really like how my skin looks. And if you only have the base box, it's okay. The add-on store is going to be open on April 14, which is on Tuesday, the next day. Now let's talk about Boxy Pop-Up. I did mention that previous videos before, because it was confirmed that it's going to come back on May, but now we have the dates for sure. So Boxy Pop-Up is going to open for early access. Remember, if you're also subscribed, there's an advantage to that, to the base, to the premium box and the Boxy Luxe. Then you're going to have early access to Boxy Pop-Up, and that's going to open on May 11th. And then for all access is going to be open on May 12th. So those are the dates. Now I want to talk about future spoilers, which I really like, because before that, I think that's what made it fun for me, sharing the spoilers. I think this is coming. we will see a video where we see something kind of hitting in the background, and we all came up with something different what we thought it was. So I'm glad that that's back again. Yesterday, the CEO from Boxycharm, he did an Insta story, and he was showing something. I'm going to show you the clip so you can see it. And in the background, I was like, wow, that looks like a glow recipe. I don't know, back months ago, there was a survey on Facebook between the Glow Recipe Avocado Retinol Mask that retails for $49 or the 3 Skin Pollution Defense Serum that retails for $160, and between those two, the 3 Skin won, and I think it was because of the price. But then there was a new another survey that said which would you choose, and it was between the $49, of course, the Glow Recipe Avocado Mask, the overnight mask, or the 3 Skin Sleeping Mask. So it was between both. One retails for $200, the other one retails for $49, and in this one, at least the avocado from Glow Recipe won on that survey. So I am glad that once we saw that survey, we're seeing that product in the background of this Insta story that I'm showing you. So I'm excited that that's going to be part of those products. Another product that I want to mention, it was a survey that I got a few months back. I did share my video. I share everything that was on that survey, but the survey specified only for the premium box. Too Faced Natural Eyeshadow Palette that retails for $38 was also in that questionnaire, and it was also shown in the premium box. The packaging is very similar to this one. I really like this palette. This is my go-to palette. I even take this with me in the car. So this one is the eyeshadow palette, the one they're showing on the picture. It seems like that's the one, but remember, it's not confirmed. It's just, you know, a future spoiler, but I did get that in my premium questionnaire, so that might be a premium item. And the third item shown there is from Too Faced as well. It's a Too Faced bronzer, the gold, the chocolate gold. I love anything from Too Faced, especially the bronzer, the smell and everything. And the other product shown there is from Haus Lab. You know, this from Lady Gaga skin line, well, not skin line, makeup line. Well, imagine she's coming with the skin line. I don't know. This is the makeup line, and I was trying to compare. I took this picture from Trend Mode, and I was trying to compare the packaging from there. And if you look in the picture from the CEO when he was showing us that video, the packaging looks more like the eyeliner because it's a lot longer. So I'm guessing the one that they're showing us is the eyeliner. That even if the future spoiler, no matter what box is coming, I'm excited for all those spoilers that we're seeing. They're not confirmed. It's just a sneak peek that I wanted to share with you guys. So let's go back to April. Since we're just starting the month of April, let's see what's coming on April's box. Like I mentioned, for the base box, I have 3 full variations, and as you know, sometimes there's so many variations, but at least these 3 are looking pretty good. If you're interested and you want to join and you want to sign up, go ahead and sign up. It's going to be $25, but also there's going to be a free gift, so use 2 of these codes depending which one you want. So the link is going to be provided below. So now let's continue with the base box. The base box, the first variation that I want to show you is showing the Elemis juice. As you know, that was a choice item. So if you selected that, it's like me. Once I see an item of a choice that I selected, then I focus more on that variation. So if you selected the Elemis juice product, then this is the first variation that I want to show you. The second product they have there is the iconic London. This is a liquid highlighter that I showed you on a previous spoiler video. As you know, everybody's going to be getting the Benefit, but this one is showing the green one, which is the original Benefit primer. So that's going to be in the box. This one is showing the 5-piece brush set that I mentioned also before. It's a very colorful, and it's all for the eyes. It's an eyeshadow brush set. And the last thing that they're showing is the makeup eraser. I got this, the one in the picture looks a little bigger. I got this years ago when Try Beauty box, the Try Beauty box was kind of like new. Little eraser, you could just go ahead and remove your makeup. It's very gentle on your skin, and then you could just go ahead and wash it. So it's pretty good. I did try the other one. So this is the second variation. It shows the cleanser, which is the foam, and it's showing 3 different masks from Tony Moly. I really like that brand. And you're not getting one, but you're getting, it looks like you're getting 3 masks from Tony Moly. On this one, the Benefit primer, instead of the original one, is going to be the blue one that I think is more like a hydration type of primer for the pores. This one is not showing, this one is also showing the 5-piece brush set. And instead of showing the eraser, is showing the Hank and Henry sponges. That is a set of 2, so that looks pretty good too. Usually that's something else that I don't get. I don't get sponges every time there is something like that. Remember last time we had from Alamar Cosmetics and also from Luxy Beauty, I didn't get the sponges. I got the brush instead, so hopefully I do get the sponges, since I have not received those in any other boxes before. And that, let's go to the third full box reveal. This one is a Sueva palette. I don't know which shade it is, but you know there's 10 different variations there. But I also selected the palette, so this one looks interesting. This one also is including the Dose of Color lipstick. It's a different type of lipstick. This one is also showing the Benefit Cosmetics, the primer, but this one is showing the blue one that is more hydrating. This one is showing the lashes, which I hope I get. I remember a few months ago they had the lashes with Lily Lashes. I didn't get it. So once I saw this was in the Charm store, every time you earn points, you're able to buy something. So I waited and I purchased my own lashes with my points. And those are the ones that I'm wearing today, which they're so soft and easy to apply. I really like those lashes. So for this box, they're gonna have lashes. This is from Barrington, which I have tried those years ago. But what I like that this one's gonna come with the glue. And this variation is also including the sponges from Hank and Henry. So guys, I'm liking all 3 boxes. They look pretty good, especially for a base box. So let me know what you guys think, if you're like excited for what the variations you've seen so far. So now let's talk about April premium box. And as you know, we have 3 confirmed spoilers. I'm just going to be showing you the variations really quickly because I have shared them in different videos already. So let's talk about the first feature. The first sneak peek is the Pharmacy Honey Potion Renewing Antioxidant Hydration Mask. That one reaches for $38, but then there's another variation in that same sneak peek. This one is a total of 4. Us Pure by Barbie Endless Possibilities eyeshadow palette. Then we have the Lunar Beauty Life's a Drag eyeshadow palette, or you're gonna be getting the Smashbox LA Cover Shot eyeshadow palette. I feel like the reason why they have so many variations, and knowing that I just joined the waitlist a day before, actually March 31st, and I was able to get in that quickly when usually the wait is so long. I think because there's so many variations, they wanted to really spread out so everybody is in to get in the premium box. So sneak peek number 2. This is a variation of 5, and this one is between the Stila Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow. The Cover FX Water Cloud Primer, when I started reading more about it, I was so excited with what that offers. Becca Luminous Blush. This one's going to come into 3 different shades. Copari Coconut Face Cream. I love that spray. I actually have that toner. And the other one is a Peach and Lily, the Good Acids Pore Toner. It sounds pretty good as well for the Peach and Lily. They're all great products there. This one was a choice. So if you was on the wait list and you're an active premium member or subscriber, then you was able to choose one of these 5 items. And then we have sneak peek number 3, which was the Natasha Denona palette. This is a blush duo palette. It looks very pretty, and it's going to come in 10 different shades. So they're going to try to match everybody, and hopefully we all get it. But then there's a variation to that sneak peek, and that's Libido Age Away Replenishing Cream, and that one retails for $69. So hopefully we get a good box. But now we got 3 more spoilers for the premium box. The first spoiler that I want to show you is IGK Hair. This one's called Good Behavior Smoothing Spray. This one retails for $32. And when I went to the Sephora website, it says that it's a heat protective spray that mimics the high shine smoothing results of a keratin treatment. So I feels like you could just put it on your hair, and instead of putting that treatment that could damage your hair, or yeah, it could damage your hair after so long use, depending which one it happens. This one is just a spray that you put on top to mimic that look and that shine. So that looks like a great product. The next one that is another spoiler that's confirmed. This one is a 3-piece brush set. I don't know the brand because they showed it really quickly, but this looks like it's just for the face. And this is a 3-piece brush set. And the other product that they showed us. It's funny because they showed the IGK hair and the 3-piece brush set together, so I wonder if this is also going to be a variation, one or the other. And then they showed the next product on its own, which is the third sneak peek for premium, that is new, that I haven't shown in any other video, from Wonder Beauty. And this is called the Mile High Club Mascara. Funny name that it has. And I saw this on Sephora website as well. This one retails for $26. And you know what? This is Best of Beauty from Allure 2019. So this really is an award winner mascara. So guys, there you have it. You have to remember, keep your eye out on that same week. The same week for the add-ons is the same week that you're going to be seeing the choice date. It usually works that way, so don't miss out on that. Don't miss out, so that way you're able to choose one of the products that at least you're going to love on the box. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you're staying safe. I hope all this information is very helpful. I was also debating to see if I was going to keep a box or not, because you know there's priorities also, but I made that mistake. But you know what, I'm gonna make it interesting, because then I'm gonna do a giveaway and put all those put different items in there and have a nice giveaway for you guys. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you're excited for what's coming for April, and if you're new, you're gonna join Boxycharm. Remember those codes, so you get a free item. And if you're new to my channel, I invite you to subscribe. So thank you guys for watching this video, and until the next video, bye.